got time, then I got time. Free your thoughts and watch them fly. Use your heart and not your right.